Finally, after hours protecting, saving, and getting back Funny Bone, we got our friend back. It took us long, but it was great. We finally have. You're not the one who's been waiting. If you excuse me, I just need to hug him so much. What? Somebody help! She's hugging me too much. Just let me on this. Well, so what do we do? What's SpongeBob? He's trying to get He's trying to get out of the portal. Yeah, I have to send him to get it out. You think it's easy? I got it. If you need me, I'm gonna be sleeping. That guy. Yes, I sense nothing is normal day. So what are we gonna do today? Well, that's not it. Well, the creator didn't come up with have any video ideas today, so it's just gonna be a short video for 1 minute on end. So we just chill. That's about it. So subscribe everyone if you like this video. Bye.